Hello everyone, and how are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing awesome. Today's video is going to be on my Sansavaria bird nest plants. Hey guys, just coming in to give you an update on my Sansavaria bird nest plants here. They are doing awesome, but my only concern is they are not putting out any more new growth. And I believe that's because they are in these big, huge clusters, and they put out as much as they can already. So guys, I plan on separating these plants and putting them up into their individual pots. And I will keep you all updated on them. But they are nice and healthy. And these guys are easy to propagate. You just take one of these leaves here and from the base, you just pull it back and just sit it in the soil, give it some water, and it will start a new pup. Here's the mother plant of this one. And here's, I think this one has two mother plants. This one and this one right here. Okay guys, let me know what you think down in the comment section down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for future updates. And feel free to share with your friends and your family. Thank you so much for watching, and happy growing. Until next time, I talk to you guys later. Bye-bye now.